Probably going to be terrible, but anyway, it'll show you what's happening. Okay, so they were all turning because I told it to turn right by 50 degrees. I told it to turn more when it's steep, so you see I get all these kind of spirals up here. It's also still going downhill, so sometimes it doesn't turn only right, it turns left. You get all kinds of trails and so forth, which actually was more cool than I thought. Great. And of course you should use your own sensibility. If you like super crazy complex things, bring super crazy complex things. If you like more elegant, simple things, bring those. But at all times try to, again, reveal the character of the landscape. Great. If there's not more questions, then that is your task. Undoubtedly, you will break things. As I said, it's surely not foolproof. If you break things, try to have saved a previous copy. Also, try to work in the studio and help each other as you learn how these things work. You will develop tricks. I'm sure across 200 of you, some of you will have some code experience, maybe very few. So they might also be able to add some things or at least correct things when things go wrong. Great.
Is the whole assignment pretty much just like trial and error?
Guided trial and error, yes, like science. Make a test, try to understand what the outcome tells you, and then make the next test better than the previous. Yep, exactly. If you have a strategy, trial and error becomes less error and more improvement. But there's for sure lots of trialing and lots of erroring. Yep. Great. Thanks, guys. If you go back, I'll get the next group over.
Thanks.
Yeah. A rhino thing? I might know. If it's in Grasshopper, I might not know.
Well, if I find you and
I don't use Grasshopper.
I'll run in front of you and
Okay.
quiz you things.
Thank you. How I ask about curves, right?
Yes.
So you can you have just a bunch of straight lines that make up a curve?
No, it's only ever going to pay attention to the start and the end of any input curve.
So what is that
Define a
separate?
vector.
What is that separate?
You can have many curves. Yeah, you can have many curves. Yeah. If you had a whole bunch of short curves that made a curve, each one would be its own race curve.
Is that on? Do you have some lines yet?
No.
So like tomorrow or something, or like?
Yeah, I'll try to do it tonight. We've made some changes while doing the demos. Because we break things as we go. So we'll try to get it up.
Do we have access to? Was this recorded? Is this
Yes,
going to be uploaded?
that's going to get uploaded. Thank you.